Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today, we have an incredibly exciting update to share with you all regarding one of the most powerful optimization tools available right now. I am talking about the brand new JavaPro app for Android devices. Whether your device is fully rooted with Magisk or KernelSU, or you're running a completely non-rooted setup, this app has you covered. For all of our non-rooted users watching right now, you can fully utilize all the powerful features of this application with the simple help of Shizuku. Let's get right into how you can get this running on your phone and take your device performance to the absolute next level. First things first, you will need to have the application downloaded to your local storage. Once you have downloaded the file, open up your preferred file manager. You can use the default file manager that comes with your phone or a third-party option from the Play Store. Navigate directly to your Downloads folder, or whichever directory you typically save your browser downloads into. Scroll down until you spot the JavaPro APK file sitting right there. It is a very lightweight file, so it shouldn't take more than a few seconds to download on a standard connection. Make sure you have located the correct, most recent version of the APK before we proceed. Now that we have the file ready to go, we can move right along to getting it installed on our device. Go ahead and tap directly on the JavaPro APK file. Your system package installer will pop up, asking if you want to install this application. Simply hit the Install button at the bottom of your screen. The process is very quick and should be done in just a few moments. Once installed, open the app. The first thing you will see is a prompt asking for root access or Shizuku access if you are non-rooted. Make sure to grant these permissions immediately so everything functions correctly and has the necessary system access. Now that we are inside the app, the very first thing you will notice is the beautiful new design. We have a complete UI overhaul on both the main home screen and the settings menu, making it much more intuitive, modern, and easy to navigate. Right on the home screen, you will also notice that the support section has been moved here for much easier and faster access whenever you need help or have questions. Looking at the new features, we finally have automatic updates added, so you no longer need to manually check for the latest versions to stay current. Another huge addition is the Update Preload feature, which drastically speeds up the entire patching and application process. For the gamers out there, the graphics drivers have been fully fixed and optimized for smoother, more consistent gameplay. Speaking of gaming, you can now add custom packages to the GameBoost section, giving you total control over which of your favorite games get maximum performance priority. To keep distractions away while you play or work, the new notification limiter lets you easily block incoming alerts. We have also introduced a highly effective background data saver to prevent idle apps from eating up your bandwidth. And finally, a brand new battery optimization module to ensure your phone lasts all day long, even with these heavy performance tweaks running. That covers all the major changes and incredible new features packed into this massive JavaPro update. I highly recommend giving it a try, especially if you love tweaking your phone's performance. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.